Welcome to the Raynor Minute with Hawaii's garage door professionals. Raynor Hawaii has been serving Hawaii's homeowners for over 30 years.
Aloha, I'm Billy, a technician at Raynor Hawaii. Let's check out your garage door.
Let's go over our full garage door maintenance and safety check inspection service. First, we'll check your garage door panels for deterioration or rust. We'll check your track alignment to ensure it has not shifted. We will tighten any lags or bolts as necessary. We will check the cables that balance the full weight of the door for fraying. We will lubricate and adjust them if they are uneven in any way. We will also check your rollers for excessive wear and ensure they are the ball bearing type that will provide long service. We will check your spring tension to ensure your door is balanced correctly so your operator will function smoothly. We will tighten your springs if they have loosened or come out of adjustment, as well as lubricate them. Next, we will inspect your operator beginning with the chain or belt drive. We will check the tension and ensure that it is correctly operating the door. We will remove your motor cover and make sure that any insects or debris that may cause failure are cleaned out. We will test your door to make sure it stops in the correct position when opening and closing. We will inspect your drive gear. We will check the brackets to ensure all nuts and bolts remain tight. We will check the up and down sensitivity of your motor, making sure that it stops when it encounters a foreign object. We will clean your sensor eyes and check them for correct alignment. Our full safety check also includes putting a 2x4 on the floor and ensuring your door reverses rather than locking in the down position. If you are not a current Raynor customer, we will note your door and operator information as well as take pictures to ensure that we have your system's complete information for any future service calls.
Thank you, Billy. We look forward to providing a full maintenance for your garage door so that it will continue to operate smoothly for years. Call us at 808-676-3667 and remember, request your free can of lube when you schedule your full maintenance and safety check.